Okay, good afternoon, students. Now we are going to practice the world outline, the 10th class 12th lesson, world during the world wars. So, in imperial learning, we have some places. The question number 11, they have given some names. So, first we will go through the names which are given in the imperial learning. So, first they mentioned the name Germany. So, Germany is, so I'm locating, just clearly observe, just you need to put point and little blur or circle and draw one line towards the empty place and write the name. So first place we are writing Germany. After writing the name, draw box for that. It is neatly you can show to the evaluator. And the second place, Italy. Italy is in the Europe, the down of Germany only you can find one peninsula. So this is Italy. So for Italy you can write name, take towards the Africa continent or otherwise outside of continent also. You can write name Italy. So after writing, box it. The second, Austria. Austria, Italy and Germany, between these here will be Austria. So Austro-Hungary Empire, Austria, you can write the name same. So for this you can take this side and write the name Austria. Box it. After Austria, USA. So it is not in the European landmass, it is American continent. This landmass is USA. So USA boundaries are like this, till here, from here, and some part here also there, need not to mention, but this is Alaska. I am writing the name Alaska. So it is a large landmass, then you can write directly name on the particular place. And when you are writing without point, you need to draw the boundaries of country. It's compulsory. Next, after USA, China. So above Indian landmass, you can find this much of landmass belongs to China only. But so if you don't know the boundary lines, you can go through the capital city. So China capital city is Beijing. So here it will be, after putting point, write the name China. Box. And after China, Russia. So Russia, USSR, both are same. So for Russia and USSR, when you are writing the name of Russia or USSR, when you are locating, you need not to put point for Russia because it is a large landmass. So you need to start from here, Russia. You can write USSR also. Same how Russia you have written means starting point from the European landmass. Same USSR also you have to write like that. Now after USSR, one more country called Britain. So Britain is the left side of Germany only. This island is called Britain. So here the Britain capital London. Whole island is United Kingdom or Britain and England. These names are there. So you have to put point here. Write the name as Britain. So these places were given in the textbook, question number 11, according to the AS5 mapping skills. And indirect questions are there. Indirect questions is either triple alliance or triple entente or central powers, axis powers, or allied powers. So and uh, triple alliance, central powers, axis powers. These are same. When they asked about triple alliance or central powers, you can locate the names of these countries, either Germany, Austria, Italy. Among these three, you can locate anyone. For indirect question of central powers or triple alliance, these three countries. If they ask about axis powers means the Germany, Italy are common, and one more country will be added in this. That is Japan. So these islands all are belongs to Japan only. So directly you can write Japan. Box is compulsory. You have to write in a small way. To visible, I am writing just little bit bigger words. So that is Japan. If they ask axis powers, you can locate any Japan or Germany or Italy. They ask triple alliance, Austria, Italy, Germany. Central powers also same. So that against the other group is there. That is triple entente or allied powers. Both the World War I and II, the same name is continued, that allied powers. So allied powers members are USA, Britain, Russia or USSR, and one more country, France. So here I am locating, just see, France is one of the member in allied powers or triple entente. So triple entente led by France only it is. So France, Britain, Russia, triple entente groups. And if they ask about allied powers, you can write also USA. So these are the important places, countries in from 12th lesson, and few more also there. The UNO, after the World War II, by the end of World War II, the countries plan to form an organization, that is United Nations Organization. So it headquarters located means situated in USA, that is New York. So New York place is, you can see in this map, this one, these islands, and you need to touch the sea coast. This is New York. New York. And when you are writing indirect question, compulsory you should write question, means UNO headquarters in bracket answer you should write UNO headquarters New York. And Russia over, Russian Empire over. And in the Second World War immediate cause, Germany attacked Poland. So Poland country is the right side between Russia and Germany it is. So this one is Poland. So after putting point, write the name Poland. So after Poland, Turkey. Turkey is as a former Ottoman Empire. This is Turkey belongs to the Asia. This is West Asia. So this landmass is Turkey. Turkey, and above Turkey, this is Black Sea. And this one Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea. So in this last one country was World War One immediate cause. The Bosnian Serb assassinated Austrian Crown Prince. So the place Bosnia, Serbia is here. Serbia country is here, and write the name Serbia. So all the oceans, continents you know already. So these are the important places, important countries which are belongs to 12th lesson, and few more also you can, that is the bomb blast by the end of World War II in the Japan. America dropped bombs, the nuclear bombs on the Japanese landmass. So now here that island, this is Hiroshima, and down one is Nagasaki in these islands. Hiroshima and down island is Nagasaki. Another one in the map of Japanese Empire, few regions are occupied. The Chinese regions are occupied by Japan. They are here. It is Manchuria, and this one Korea, Korean landmass. This is Korea, and this one Manchuria landmass. So these are the places which belongs to 12th lesson.
If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends.